Hi everybody, this is Esther from Cemantica. Hope you are doing well. I'd like to discuss with you today persona and how to generate persona with Alex or AI assistant. So here we are on the main homepage of Cemantica. Let's hit persona, right? So with a single prompt, let's write it. So you can generate a map. So here is my request. It's Sophia. She's 35 years old. She's an engineer. She's looking for an health insurance in the UK. Of course, you can write as many details as you want. Then you hit generate. Then the system's going to take 10 to 20 seconds to generate the persona profile. So the way it is done, the system is looking for all the information that you have in your environment and also for information with OpenAI or external data, and then combining all the information together. Here we go. So now we have a couple of information about the profile. We have the demographics, the background, the needs, the expectation, frustration. The first thing you can do, you can go through the information, the background, for example, and say, oh, you know what, it's not exactly what I was thinking. So maybe you want to ask again, Alex, to generate the content. So he's regenerating, the background. Then you can go through it and then you can decide to accept it or to generate again. Let's accept it. All right. So, and then, you can enrich your profile. So you go to add section and then, for example, you want to have a slider. Okay, let's use a slider and you want to know the income level of Sophia. So you type it here and then you hit Alex. Okay, Alex is here. All right, so Alex will give you some label about, the income level of Sophia. And then again, you can accept it or you can ask him to regenerate the information. Let's accept it here. All right. So now I think you understand the concept, so you can add as many sections as you want. And then you can also play with the different boxes here around with the color and reorganize the profile the way you wish. All right, thank you very much for listening. If you want more information, you can go to cemantica.com. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.